No matter how you like to roll, you're always faced with the same question: what to pack and how to pack it. To go where you want, with everything you need, organized to succeed. From opposite sides of the globe, the most capable machines in the off-road world meet a trusted outdoor adventure brand to deliver the answer. Purpose-built storage accessories for trail riders, go-getters, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Introducing Rhino-Rack, custom built for Polaris RANGER and GENERAL. Perfect compatibility, maximum versatility, optimal security, and extreme durability. Bring it all, bring it on. And stay tuned. This adventure is just getting started.